Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2016 Lincoln MKX Reserve, equipped with the luxury package and all-wheel drive. On the front end of the vehicle we have our full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. And under the hood sits a 2.7-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine that produces 335 horsepower and 380 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 21-inch aluminum wheels, heated power folding mirrors with blind spot alert, as well as keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as a power liftgate that gives us access to 37.2 cubic feet of trunk space, which expands up to 68.8 cubic feet thanks to the power folding rear seats. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our automatic headlight controls. This MKX is also equipped with a panoramic sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert with active braking, adaptive cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is a Revel Ultima sound system, as well as push-button start, and a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and 360-degree backup camera. Equipped for comfort are dual-zone climate controls, as well as lane keep assist and Ford's advanced active park assist. And on the vehicle's key fob, we have remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our heated 60/40 split folding rear seats,